Meredith, I want to go to the latest vogue as I'm all getting back into my touch with my inner periodic table and rare earths and all that. You lead your essay talking about rare whiskey and maybe rare frozen vegetables as well. I mean, we're all wound up about rare earths, but this is about basic commodities, isn't it? This back and forth on tariffs.
It's more about basic commodities. It's actually more so about politics and the political incentives of both sides to track towards some kind of progress on a deal. And at Eurasia Group, we actually think that markets are still underestimating the risk in this relationship of where things are going. And at this point, Tom, I'd say we should expect a long, hot summer, to quote a Tennessee Williams play.
I like that. We'll have to look that up this week and see what Liz Taylor is doing. Meredith, if I look at I can't read Chinese, Meredith Sumpter can. What do you read in the Chinese media?
An uptick of nationalism that has lessened the moderation that Beijing has exhibited up until just a few weeks ago. And the real red card here for China was the U.S. placement of Huawei on the entity list. This is more than about trade for Beijing. This is about Washington looking to contain China and to keep China down. So as such, Tom and Francine, you know, we're talking about that the focus is on, is there going to be a deal at the G20? What we're saying is don't expect a deal. Don't even expect a truce on tariffs at the G20. And this is going to place the U.S. president in a position where he is more likely than not to move forward with some portion, if not all, tariffs on all of the remaining $300 billion of Chinese exports to the United States.